Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and welcome to your social studies class. I am your ma'am Omama, and in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic, that is what is the difference between natural and man made environment. Okay, so let's first discuss what is environment. So, environment means everything which surrounds you. It is basically the sum of all of the living plus non-living things that are in your surroundings. All the non living and non-living things that are in your surroundings, they together make up your environment. Okay, now in the environment there is this subdivision. As the name indicates, the one is natural environment and the other one is man-made. Now we will discuss both of these separately. Their names basically their names are giving you the idea about what type of environment it is. The word natural has been taken from the word nature. Is it linked to nature? And what does nature means? Something which is created by God, which is created by Allah, right? So natural environment is everything which is created by Allah for you. All of the things which are around you, the sun, moon, earth, the trees, plants, lakes, waterfalls, streams, everything, whatever is in your surrounding which is created by Allah for you, is the natural environment. And then comes the man-made. As its name indicates, something which is made by man, which is made by human, is known as man-made environments, right? Now let's say you would be thinking that what are the things that are created by man. Let's say you are sitting in front of you, there would be a lot of things. There is furniture placed in your room. There is there are windows, there are doors, there are houses, buildings. All of these things are created by humans. So these are man-made environment, and all of those things which are created by Allah for you are natural environment. Got it? So before moving further or discussing all of these things, let's discuss what is in your book. You are supposed to open your book page number 26, and the topic is natural and man-made environment. Let's start reading this. All different landforms and water resources such as rivers, streams, and lakes are natural and provide a natural environment for plants and animals. Now, whatever all of the things like streams, lakes, seas, rivers, all of these things, these are created by Allah. A human cannot create this, right? So, all of these things are known as natural environment, right? And it says that all of the landforms. Now, you have this. We have already discussed landforms in our previous classes. There were deserts, there were hills, there were mountains. All of these things are something which are created by Allah. A human cannot create hill, a human cannot create mountain, a human cannot create desert, right? All of these things are natural environment. And then it says a man-made environment is created by people, is created by human, when they build houses, roads, factories, furniture, different machinery, computers, everything whichever is surrounding you which is created by humans is known as man-made environment. Okay, now buildings change the natural environment. Trees and plants keep the environment clean and are very useful for humans and animals. Now it is also telling you that, let's say, what is the benefit of natural environment. Natural environment is basically giving food, air, and support to humans, right, to us. And from them we get food, we get water, we get air, we get oxygen, and it is also helping us in cleaning our environment. Now trees and plants, they keep our environment clean, and cutting trees down to build houses and factories can cause problems. And what humans are doing, basically, what is our environment? In our environment we are cutting down all of the natural things, and then we are making things out of that. Let's say the furniture which is placed around you, how does it it is created? It is basically created that we cut the trees, and then from that wood we made furniture for us. For what? So what we are basically doing, we are creating harm to our natural environment, right? Now Salman says that all animals get their food from plants. Plants is a natural environment, and all of the animals, they get their food from plants. And food crops are grown on farms. Similarly, the food crops, they are also natural. we must not build on the land that is needed for farming. So similarly, if there is a land which is solely or wholly which is dedicated for farming, we should not build there our houses and factories over there. So people who are creating their houses, creating buildings on that areas on which previously people do farming, on which there was something natural, there were trees, they are cutting that and they are creating something from their for their own. This is basically harm to our environment, and we should avoid doing that, right? Now I'm going to share the screen with you and to show you some natural and man-made environment things. The very first thing, this is a picture, and it says these are two types of environment basically. On the first picture there is natural environment, and in the natural environment there is water, maybe it's a lake. Then there are trees, clouds, sun, all of these things, they are together making our natural environment. Now let's say if we talk about man-made environment, there is this beautiful, maybe it's a picture of an airport. Then there are these big skyscraping buildings, all of these houses, the roads, the factories, all of these things are created by humans. So these are man-made environment. Got it? Similarly, there is this one another picture. Let me share that with you as well. So in this picture, basically, it is defining the both types of environment as well. Natural environment that comes in its existence by its own naturally. Let's say there was this. How do streams created? Right? They created with the order of Allah, with the order of God. So they themselves created. We humans cannot create streams. We cannot create hills. We cannot create mountains. So all of these things, they are happening. They are creating on natural basis, right, without interference of humans. Let's say if I want that in front of my house there should be a hill, can I made a hill in front of that? No. This is something which happens on a natural basis. Similarly, the man-made environment is something which is modified by humans. Let's say if we talk about these things, or the environment which is man-made, which humans are creating, what basically humans are doing, they are taking things from natural environment. Let's say I gave you the example of furniture. What do we are doing basically? The trees are the part of natural environment. We took those trees from natural environment, we cut them down, and then we use their wood for making furniture. So we are taking advantage of that natural environment in a bad way. We should not cut down trees, especially those trees which are very very important for our environment, which are very good for keeping our country clean and for our good health, right? So this was the main difference. Let's quickly revise this. Natural means something which is created by nature, and man-made means something which is created by humans. And both types of environments, they are different to each other. But what do humans do basically? They take things from natural environment and then they modify them for their own use or for their own purpose, right? Now what is home assignment for you? You are supposed to tell the name of five things from natural environment and five from human from man-made environment. And then in tomorrow's class, inshallah, I'll be checking that, and then we will continue with our topic. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you then in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.